Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make rice water. So if you like to see this video, stay tuned. Okay, so what we're going to need is a bowl. Your rice, I use this rice, it's organic, organic jasmine rice. I pay a lot of money for this rice, but I mean, it is what it is. Like only the best. Measuring cup, a mason jar, some of your favorite oils, essential oils, and some water. So I literally just take the measuring cup and pour it in. About a cup. Then I take my bowl, put it in the bowl, and then I'm going to rinse it off. Put the water in and just rush it around. I usually do this at the sink. I'm just going like this just to get some of the, if any, impurities off of the rice. And see, it's really cloudy, so there's something on it. I mean, it is going to cloud up once you let it ferment, but this is the extra stuff. And I do this twice, maybe 3 times, depending. So it's all clean. Just take a plastic spoon, spoon it into the jar. This is spring water. Some people say you distill water. I've been using spring to finish the gallon. I'm gonna get some distilled water. Just fill it all the way up. And then I add the Bell Bar Organic Thickening Ayurvedic Herb Oil. This is the onion and garlic one. I take 2 droppers fulls of this. So there's one. There's 2. Take some rosemary essential oil. I got this is rosemary essential oil. I got this from Amazon. And I just take a bunch of until it looks like, it's enough. I don't count them, sorry. I just started using last week the tea tree and peppermint oils. So I'm gonna put a couple of drops because I'm trying to see if this will help my scalp, but not too many because tea tree is strong. And peppermint oil. Make sure it's really tight. Give it a good shake. And that is it. That's how I make my rice water. That's how I make my rice water. And then after that, I let it, today is Friday. My wash day is Sunday. So that's usually how long I let it ferment. I'll usually do it earlier in the day. It's already 5:30. So I usually try to do this in the morning, but I didn't get to it this morning. So I did it now and I'll let it ferment. Usually if for some reason I don't do it on Friday and I do it Saturday, then I'll use the black rice, but I'll show you how I do the black rice. Black rice is basically the same thing. Yeah, it's basically the same process. No, it is the same process. I just don't leave it in for as long because the black rice is stronger. Anyway, I'll go into that in another video. But yeah, so that's it. I'll let it sit right here on the table until Sunday, and then I'll transfer it into a spray bottle and use it myself. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until my next one. Bye, my loves.